Most truck owners use maybe 60% of what their pickup can actually do, and the gadgets that unlock the rest are out there right now for less than you'd guess. I dug through hundreds. Only 20 earned a spot. Subscribe so you don't miss them. And guess which one takes number 1? Drop it in the comments. Hint, you can stand on it. Number 20, the Tymate Solar Tire Pressure Monitor, $53. 4 sensors thread onto your valve stems, and a sun-charged display shows all 4 tires in real time. Owners who tow say it caught a slow leak before it became a highway blowout. No wiring, no app. It just starts yelling the second a tire drops. Cheap insurance under load. Number 19, MICTUNING's Truck Bed Light Strip, $32. 3 waterproof white strips mount under your bed rails and flood the whole cargo area with light. Anyone who's fumbled for a tool in a black truck bed at night gets it instantly. Buyers mention how the on-off switch and fuse splitter make wiring genuinely simple. $32 to stop loading gear in the dark. Number 18, Agrieyes Halo Wireless Trailer Lights, $64. They magnet onto any trailer, boat, or load. No wiring back to your harness. You charge them, stick them on, pair the signal, and you've got brake and turn signals in under a minute. Owners hauling rentals and borrowed trailers call it the fix for the thing that always fails at the worst time. Number 17, the Rhino USA Kinetic Recovery Rope, $120. It stretches like a giant rubber band. That's the trick. It stores energy as it pulls, then snatches a stuck truck free instead of jerking it like a chain. Off-roaders say it frees a buried truck far smoother and safer than steel. Keep one behind the seat. The day you need it, nothing else will do. Number 16, WeatherTech's FloorLiner HP, around 130 and up depending on your truck. These laser-fit liners climb the sides of your footwell, so mud, slush, and spilled coffee stay trapped instead of soaking your carpet. Owners in snow country swear by them. They cost more than rubber mats, but research shows they hold resale value when it's time to sell. Number 15, X-Bull Recovery Traction Boards, $70 a pair. Stuck in mud, sand, or snow? Wedge these ramps under your spinning tires and drive yourself out. No winch, no second truck. The aggressive teeth grip the tread and bite into soft ground. Buyers who overland say they've turned a 2-hour rescue into a 2-minute fix. They stack flat and live in the bed. Number 14, the Gen Y Adjustable Drop Hitch, $450, the priciest early pick and worth understanding. One bar adjusts up or down for any trailer height, rated to 21,000 pounds, with a dual ball mount built in. Owners who tow several trailers say it ends the drawer full of mismatched hitches. Buy once, tow anything. Number 13, eRapta's Wireless Backup Camera, $85. A 7-inch dash monitor pairs with a camera above your plate, wireless, so you skip running a cable the whole length of the truck. Front and rear, 1080p, with night vision that genuinely works. Owners with long beds say it erased the blind spot that made backing into a driveway a guessing game. Number 12, the Husky Liner's GearBox Underseat Storage, $145. It's a lockable lid that turns the dead space under your back seat into a full-width gear drawer, fitted to your exact truck. Owners use it for tools, recovery straps, even a hidden spot for valuables. Buyers mention how it snaps in without drilling. Suddenly, that wasted cavity is the most useful storage in the cab. Number 11, Nilight's 20-inch LED light bar with wiring harness, $38. Spot and flood beams combine to turn pitch-black trails, job sites, and campsites into daylight. The kit includes the harness, relay, and switch, so it's a genuine weekend install. Owners say it's stupidly bright for the money, the kind of upgrade people notice the first night out. Mount it on the bumper or roof and never squint into the dark again. Top 10 starts now. Quick question, how many of these are already on your list? The best is still ahead. Number 10. Top 10! The WOLFBOX G850 Mirror Dashcam, $121. It replaces your rearview mirror with a 12-inch 4K touchscreen that looks like a normal mirror until it lights up. Front and rear recording, GPS, night vision, and a backup view in one. Owners love that a tailgater on video turns a he said dispute into a closed case. It looks factory and records everything behind you. Number 9. The EWAY Magnetic Wi-Fi Hitch Camera, $90. A rechargeable camera that magnets anywhere and streams straight to your phone, so you line up a hitch solo without a spotter. Owners who hook up gooseneck and bumper trailers alone call it the end of the climb out and check shuffle. Watch your phone, back up till the ball drops under the coupler. First try, every time. Number 8. The GOOLOO A7 Jump Starter with built-in air compressor, 127. A dead battery and a low tire are the two problems that strand people most. This handles both from one box. It jumps big gas and diesel engines and inflates a tire on its own power. Owners keep one under the seat and say it's bailed out strangers more than once. No cables, no waiting on a tow. Number 7. The Gator Soft Tonneau Cover, around $175. It rolls back to seal your whole bed under a low-profile vinyl cover. No drilling, clamps right on. Owners report better fuel economy from the cleaner airflow, plus gear that finally stays dry and out of sight. Buyers mention the 10-minute install. It's the single upgrade that makes a truck bed feel finished. Number 6. The CURT Echo Bluetooth Brake Controller, $285. Instead of drilling a controller into your dash, this plugs into the 7-pin connector and runs entirely from your phone. You set trailer braking from an app and move it between trucks in seconds. Owners who tow with rentals say it's the only controller they can take anywhere. Proportional braking that smooths out every stop without touching your dashboard. That's the top 6 down. If one of these solved a problem you've been living with, hit like and name it in the comments. It really helps. Now the top 5. Top 5. Number 5. The BougeRV 52-quart Portable Fridge Freezer 320. This is a real compressor fridge that runs straight off your truck, chilling all the way to 4 below zero, so it freezes, not just cools. Dual zones keep drinks cold on one side, food frozen on the other. Owners who overland and tailgate say it ended the soggy cooler era of melting ice for good. Plug it in and keep food cold for days. Number 4. The X-Bull 13,000-pound electric winch, $400. This is the serious one. Synthetic rope, wireless remote, and an IP68 waterproof motor. It bolts to your bumper and drags your truck, or someone else's, out of anything. Owners who wheel hard say 13,000 pounds of pull means you're never the truck waiting on a tow. It costs real money, but buried to the axles on a back road, it's worth every dollar. Number 3. The Pitman Airbeds Pro 3 Truck Bed Air Mattress, $240. This turns your bed into a camp setup in minutes. A custom-shaped mattress that fits around the wheel wells with a built-in pump that runs off your truck. Owners who tailgate and camp say it's the reason they stopped booking hotels on road trips. 1,000-pound capacity, packs into a bag, inflates in a couple of minutes. Your truck bed was always a guest room. This unlocks it. Number 2. The WaySafe 180 Hitch, $281. And it does something no normal hitch does. There's a tow weight scale built right into the handle, so the moment you drop your trailer on, it reads your tongue weight. Overloaded tongue weight is what sends trailers into that terrifying highway sway, and most people are just guessing. This one's solid billet aluminum, adjustable for any height with stainless balls. Owners call it the cheapest peace of mind in towing, a hitch that keeps you out of a wreck. 19 done. Remember the one you can stand on? The one I teased up top? Last guess in the comments, because here's number 1. The number 1 pickup truck gadget is the decked truck bed storage system, about $1,700 and worth every reason it wins. Reason 1, it drops 2 full-width weatherproof drawers into your bed that roll out on marine-grade rails, each holding 200 pounds of tools, gear, or recovery equipment, locked and hidden. Reason 2, the top is a tough deck rated to 2,000 pounds, so you still load plywood, bikes, or coolers right on it. Reason 3, it's built to your exact truck and installs with hand tools in an afternoon. Owners call it a garage that travels with them. If you upgrade one thing, make it the one that turns a truck into a workshop. So which one's going in your truck first? Tell me in the comments. If this saved you a bad buy, hit like. It helps other truck owners find it. Subscribe for a new gadget list every week. And the next one? Off-road upgrades that look completely illegal. See you there.